The Farm Barn Orientation Center, which houses staff offices, exhibits, a classroom, and a cafe, is renovated to meet Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, standards established by the U.S. Green Building Council. By adapting existing roads and buildings for new purposes, Duke Farms limits the environmental impact on the property as well as on natural resources elsewhere. The building places minimal demands on non-renewable energy resources and reduces pollution and waste, creating a healthier indoor and outdoor environment. Indoor temperature, air quality, and lighting controls are calculated to save energy and increase comfort. For example, light tubes and skylights reduce energy costs and provide pleasant natural light. East, south, and west-facing facades have high-performance windows, interior shades, and light shelves, which help control heat gain in the summer while harvesting daylight. Super insulation, especially in the roof, helps maintain a constant temperature and reduce energy demands. Systems for heating and cooling the building are supplemented with active ventilation systems that improve the air quality. An efficient radiant slab heating system provides for zoned heating within the building. The building pulls energy from the site in the form of geothermal and solar. Geothermal wells circulate water through a thermally controlled piping loop. A constant underground temperature of approximately 55 degrees Fahrenheit boosts efficiency and reduces the cost of heating and cooling the building. Capturing energy from the sun with solar panels reduces our need for energy generated by fossil fuels. Comprised of 3,120 panels and covering 2.6 acres, these panels require no fossil fuels, generate no pollution, and provide most of the electricity for all the buildings and electric vehicles at Duke Farms. This tram stop is constructed with reclaimed lumber from original farm buildings. Plantings on the rooftop help to reduce heat buildup in warmer months. The gutters along the roof line of the farm barn capture the rainwater from the roof and direct it to a 5,000-gallon cistern in the ground, which supplies all of the non-potable water used in flushing toilets. Water from the toilets transports waste to a constructed wastewater wetlands, which mimics nature's process of filtering water. Here, organisms cleanse the nutrient-charged waste, and clean water can be reintroduced safely into the groundwater or local stream. Nestled between parking lot sections, these landscape features filter pollution and silt from runoff water before they enter the watershed via Duke Brook. Rain gardens capture water in low areas where water can soak into the soil and nourish native plants. These gardens help protect lakes and streams from pollutants and provide habitat for birds, pollinators, and other beneficial insects. Duke Farms is regenerating approximately 528 acres of wetlands in this area and along the Raritan River. These wetlands filter out impurities in water, provide a buffer against flooding, and support a diverse and large population of plants and animals.
Be looking for.
As a part of habitat regeneration practices, Duke Farms is removing invasive species and replacing them with native plants. Once established, native plants require less irrigation or fertilization to thrive. They are also resistant to most pests and diseases. These organic garden plots give people the opportunity to grow their own healthy produce. Some of the gardeners at Duke Farms donate their produce to the food bank network of Somerset County. Duke Farms is using compost to enrich the garden soils. Piles of composted manure and leaves are available for use in the community garden. Non-asphalt lanes and paths allow water to filter into the ground and minimize stormwater runoff that would otherwise flow into Duke Brook. Duke Farms limits automobiles on the site, encouraging walking and cycling instead. This helps visitors more closely connect with the natural environment. Examples of green initiatives can be seen throughout the property and are highlighted in our outdoor signs, audio guide, and orientation center exhibits.